we guide you through how to check call history on your Google account. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to your Google account by searching Google account or visiting myaccount.google.com. Then, sign in using the Gmail link to your Android device, and once inside, tap on Data and Privacy and scroll down to find Activity Controls, then select Web and App Activity, and tap Manage All Activity to access your recorded instructions. From here, use the search bar and filters to look for call-related activity, but take note that Google does not store full calls logs like your phone app does. Only limited data such as call interactions from services like Google Voice may appear. If you're using an Android phone, the actual call history is the best viewed directly in your phone app by opening it and going to the Recent tab where all incoming, outgoing, and missed calls are listed. From Google Voice users, open voice.google.com or Google Voice app. Sign in and go to the call section to see your full call log sync with your account. If you don't see any data, it likely means call activity tracking wasn't enabled or call aren't linked to your Google service.